Amazon Christmas is running huge offers all over the world, but many of you might not know about the mega deals and big savings on items. Here you'll find incredible discount of up to 50% across all your favorite product categories. To make it even easier, we've rounded up best 5 POWERDETECT upright vacuum cleaner on Amazon that you can save you a huge amount. On Amazon that you and your friends will absolutely love, that can save you a huge amount. So don't forget to watch till the end. All the mentioned product deals links are in the description below. Number 5. The Shark NV501 Rotator Professional Liftaway Vacuum is a versatile and powerful cleaning solution for any home. Its liftaway feature allows you to easily detach the canister for portable cleaning of stairs, furniture, and hard-to-reach areas. The HEPA filter traps dust, allergens, and fine particles, ensuring cleaner air and a healthier environment. Swivel steering makes maneuvering around furniture and tight spaces effortless, while the LED headlights illuminate hidden dirt and debris for a thorough clean. This vacuum provides strong suction on both carpets and hard floors, effectively removing pet hair, dust, and debris. Lightweight and easy to use, the Shark NV501 combines professional-level performance with convenience, making it an excellent choice for families seeking reliable, deep cleaning results in a single vacuum. Number 4. The Bissell CleanView Max Tangle-Free Rewind Vacuum is a reliable and user-friendly solution for homes with pets and busy households. Its tangle-free brush roll prevents hair and debris buildup, making maintenance easier and keeping performance consistent. The LED headlights illuminate dark corners and under furniture, ensuring no dirt is missed during cleaning. The automatic cord rewind is convenient, saving time and eliminating clutter after use. This vacuum comes with pet tools, ideal for removing pet hair from carpets, furniture, and stairs. It delivers strong suction on both carpets and hard floors, efficiently lifting dust, dirt, and debris. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, the Bissell CleanView Max combines practicality, power, and convenience, making it a smart choice for thorough, hassle-free cleaning. Number 3. Shark POWERDETECT Ultralight Corded Stick Vacuum with Duo Clean technology, self-cleaning brush roll for no hair wrap, anti-allergen complete seal, and odor neutralizer technology, purple. Brand, Shark. Special feature, compact, HEPA, headlight, lightweight, portable. Filter type, HEPA filter. Included components, crevice tool, onboard storage clip, precision duster, upholstery tool. Duo Clean Detect. The 2 brush roll system with IntelliSense sensors automatically reacts and adapts brush roll speed for optimal performance. Floor Detect. The IntelliSense ultrasonic sensor detects the type of floor you're cleaning, and Shark POWERDETECT automatically adapts brush roll speed for optimal performance on all surfaces. Direction Detect. The IntelliSense directional sensor automatically recognizes the direction you are vacuuming, and POWERDETECT directs its powerful section forward or reverse for maximum cleaning in both directions. Self-standing. After cleaning, POWERDETECT stands and stores easily without falling over. Ultra lightweight. Weighs less than 10 pounds for easy lifting and maneuverability. No hair wrap. The self-cleaning brush roll delivers powerful pet hair pickup without wrapping hair. Number 2. The Honeywell Smart Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile and efficient cleaning tool designed for modern homes. Its 10-in-1 functionality makes it perfect for cleaning floors, furniture, stairs, and tight corners with ease. The automatic adjustment feature is especially impressive, allowing the vacuum to detect floor types and optimize suction power instantly for the best results. The lightweight stick design makes it extremely easy to maneuver, while the 3000 mAh battery delivers up to 70 minutes of runtime, enough to clean an entire home on one charge. I love how quiet, smooth, and convenient it is, especially for daily touch-ups or quick cleanups. Whether you're dealing with dust, debris, or pet hair, this vacuum performs consistently well. Overall, it's a smart, powerful, and user-friendly cordless vacuum that brings great value to everyday cleaning. Number 1. The Shark POWERDETECT Upright Vacuum Cleaner delivers strong, consistent suction that makes cleaning carpets, hard floors, and high-traffic areas incredibly easy. Its heavy-duty design is perfect for homes with pets, capturing stubborn pet hair and embedded dirt without losing power. The HEPA filter is a major advantage, trapping dust, allergens, and fine particles to keep the air cleaner and improve overall indoor freshness. The POWERDETECT feature smartly adjusts suction based on floor type, ensuring efficient cleaning without extra effort. Maneuvering the vacuum is smooth, and the detachable hose makes above-floor cleaning quick and convenient. I appreciate how it maintains strong performance while still being easy to use and maintain. Overall, this vacuum is a reliable, high-powered cleaning tool that delivers excellent results for pet owners and busy households.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.